Several templates are available for tracking one's expenses from Microsoft's and other websites. You can also set up your own spreadsheet to track your bills in Excel. Following are instructions for both approaches. Working with an Excel template. Choose a pre-installed template. Click the File tab, then select New from the File menu. Select Sample Templates from the top section of the Available Templates pane or Search Budget. Then select Personal Monthly Budget and click Create. If the Personal Budget template that comes pre-installed with Microsoft Excel doesn't work for tracking your expenses, you can select a template online. Enter your information in the appropriate cells. Save your spreadsheet. Designing your own expense tracking spreadsheet. In an open workbook, enter a name for the spreadsheet in cell A1. Enter column titles in row 2. Edit the text, select font size. You can also change the text alignment in the cell. Select font style. You may need to adjust the column widths to accommodate long column entries. Once set up, use the Freeze Panes feature to keep these headings at the top of the display. Click View and select Freeze Panes. Enter your first expense item in the cells of row 3. Enter the balance formula. Because this is the first balance entry, the balance will be determined by taking the difference between the expense and the revenue. Setting the spreadsheet up this way will show the balance as positive when your cash flow exceeds your expenses and negative when you have more expenses than revenue. Enter your second expense item in the cells of row 4 and the following expenses in the consecutive rows. Enter the balance formula. Copy the balance formula into the other cells. Right-click the cell and select Copy from the pop-up menu, then drag to select the cells below it in the column. Right-click the selected cells and select Paste to paste the formula into the selected cells. The formula will automatically update the cell references. Save the spreadsheet.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.